If you are holding cryptocurrencies, you need to watch this video because in this video, I have some very important information that is going to be showing us where the crypto market is headed and why. Now, things are about to get crazy and crazier than we've ever seen before. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. You cannot miss anything that I have in store for you today. What's up, Myles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos. And if you love cryptocurrencies, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps to support the channel. But most importantly, it helps you share this information with others who need to hear it. If you want to get access to the most profitable trading community for cryptocurrencies, go ahead and join my Patreon. The link is in my video description, where I call out new coins that are about to launch where we can get in early right at the start and make 50x gains like we did just 2 weeks ago. I also do short-term day trade alerts for cryptocurrencies, swing trade alerts, a whole bunch of things to help you make money in crypto, including you can even speak to me every day, even talk to me on the phone. We can go over your current portfolio. And if you want to learn how to day trade cryptocurrencies, you want to learn technical analysis to become your own boss where you can make passive income in cryptocurrency, sign up for my class with my link in my video description right now while it is 40% off. Go to milesginvestments.teachable.com. And we're going to go ahead and dive straight into the content right now. But before we do so, make sure you also follow all of my socials in my video description and create a WEBULL account if you want to get 2 free stocks worth up to $3,500. It's a platform where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. All you have to do is create an account with my link below and deposit 1 penny. So I have very good news for all of us here. Now, the crypto market is continuing to be green. And not only green just for the last 24 hours, if we see the last 7 days, pretty much every single cryptocurrency is in the green. And that is also a sign of a good recovery. Now, there is a lot of cryptocurrencies that are making some very big gains consistently. And we definitely need to have a portfolio that's properly diversified so that we can be making the most gains. That's exactly what we do in the Patreon. I give you guys amazing crypto picks so you can have that exposure. But most cryptocurrencies are in the green, and a lot of cryptocurrencies, even the last 7 days, are up 20%, some 30%. But cryptocurrencies are certainly appearing to recover. And when cryptocurrencies are recovering, that means that we are pretty much bouncing from the bottom. And we have not bounced too far off the bottom, which means that we are still at a huge and significant discount. And with most of these cryptocurrencies, at least the good projects, the successful projects with a future, even in the next 60 to 90 days. So just a recap on the market, we see Ethereum in the last 7 days is up 10%. We have Solana up just about the same, Cardano up 10%. Terra Luna, the 9th crypto, is actually up almost 40%. A beautiful sight to behold. Polkadot up 20%. We have Dogecoin up nearly 30%. Dogecoin is continuing to climb. Congratulations if you hold Dogecoin. Let me know in the comments if you hold Dogecoin right now. We have Avalanche up 15%. Polygon over 20%. Shiba Inu up over 12%. Near Protocol up nearly 50%. This thing is taking off. So overall, most cryptocurrencies are looking pretty juicy. And let me know in the comments below your favorite cryptocurrency right now that you're holding in your portfolio. So we're going to go ahead and dive straight into the content right now. And I'm going to be explaining to you where the crypto market is headed and why. So the first and most important thing is that cryptos have been beaten down. We've been in a correction, a bearish market, a bear market for the last couple of months because there is so much fear with all these new strains of the flu out there. People are freaking out. There's shutdowns. We have inflation. There's so many things that are happening in the government, the economy, and that is causing investors fear. That is causing investors to be fearful. And when people are fearful, they do not want to buy because they fear of a future event, which is most likely never going to happen. So what they have to do in order to protect their assets, and this is Wall Street included in the big whales, they pull out and wait for things to settle. And things are starting to settle down. And that's when people start to buy back again. People are buying back again, and things are starting to uptick as we are seeing a lot of green in the market. Now, here's the thing. This is the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. So the bottom layer of this chart, we see these orange spikes and lines. These are indicating to us greed. When things are really, really high up here, that means people are extremely greedy. And when things are extremely greedy, as we see the backdrop, the line chart of the backdrop, which is the Bitcoin or the crypto market, we see things are pumping like crazy. But When these orange spikes stop, that means people are fearful, and every time it does stop, we do notice a correction in the market, however long, however small, whatever it is. So what we are starting to see now is the lengthening period of these almost low to none greed spike volume indicators. And generally, these low levels of greed can only last for so long, and we are just about to the point of exhaustion, meaning that greed is about to get started here. And when greed starts to get started, that means that the pumps are underway, as we are starting to see a strong recovery right now. And in addition to that, make sure you keep watching because I have some very important information. But what I am showing to you is that the market is about to take off and blast off like we've never seen before. And this information that I'm showing to you is only proving our point even further with true information, with true data and statistics. So what we are seeing here is this purple line is the balance of Bitcoin and crypto on the exchange reserves. And it continues to get lower and lower and lower. And when the balance of cryptos on the exchange reserves continue to get lower, it means that there's less crypto available to be purchased on the exchanges. And the reason for that happens because people are becoming very bullish, even while things are fearful. And what they are doing is they're removing their crypto from the exchanges. They are locking it up in cold storage and putting it away in a place that they plan to hold long term. So that is a very bullish thing that happens. Even though crashes could be happening, even though people are extremely fearful, there's a lot of bullish things that still happen behind the scenes in cryptocurrencies. And that is happening right now to a degree we've never seen before. So the balance of crypto on the exchanges is hitting lows that we have not seen for many, many years. And a lot of times when these lows hit, ladies and gentlemen, we see massive spikes in the price of cryptocurrencies. So when we have greed and when we have the low balance of crypto on the exchanges, it causes a phenomenon called none other than a bull run, a parabolic moonshot. And these two indicators are extremely accurate time and time again. And they are signaling for us right now that the big move in the crypto market is soon to take place. Now keep watching this because we are getting more countries almost every single week saying that they want to adopt cryptocurrencies to some degree or other, even in the degree that their government is holding it as a form of currency. As we are even seeing the Brazilian mayor to reportedly invest 1% of the city reserves of Rio de Janeiro in Bitcoin. That is a huge and bullish thing. That is a huge and bullish thing, as is happening in many countries and many cities. People are adopting cryptocurrencies as an asset to be held, to be invested in because of the terrible inflation that is plaguing the whole world. So with the two things I've already showed you, and with this massive adoption happening left and right, in time, all of these factors together will cause cryptos to be worth much more than you could possibly imagine. And even to further drill in our point, what we are seeing is a very bullish recovery here. So cryptocurrencies, ever since they bounced up last week and broke a low, we ended up bouncing up very strong, breaking resistance levels and continuing an uptrend. We definitely need some more time to confirm this uptrend for sure, to completely validate it. But as we are seeing with time on these charts, that the recovery is soon taking place, that is actually taking place right now, but that we are certainly bouncing up. So with all the information that I've showed you in this video, make sure you keep watching. I'm showing to you the reason why cryptos are about to take off. Yes, there could be another drop next week. There could be a drop today. But most importantly, if we understand the true fundamentals behind cryptocurrencies, what's actually happening behind the scenes, considering the data, it only proves to us and to confirm our sentiments that cryptocurrencies are going to blast off this year like we've never seen before. So we are seeing recovery in the markets. We're seeing all these indicators. And in addition to that, there's even more things to prove our sentiment even further. With Bitcoin, with Ethereum, with XRP, we have BNB, Solana, DOGECOIN, Shiba Inu. All of these cryptos, which are looking very bullish by the way, have major catalysts and updates this year to their cryptocurrency blockchain. And with bullish things happening, with positive price action, with major catalysts happening to these cryptocurrencies, it leaves cryptocurrencies no other choice but to go up much higher. So in my opinion, yes, we can be in a correction for another month. Things can look bearish for another month, maybe 60 days at the most. But cryptocurrencies will not be held down forever. Let me know if you agree with that in the comments below and by giving this video a thumbs up. Cryptocurrencies will not be held down forever. And it is the moment that you think cryptocurrencies are done and over with, that is when they begin to come to life, to make crazy gains like you've never even fathomed. Now, if you've got something out of this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate the support. Subscribe if you have not done so already so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos. And check out all the links in my video description to help you make money in crypto.